In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Figma Design into Flutter Code diewise.com. By the end, you'll know how to move from your Figma canvas to usable Flutter source code with a plugin, and you'll pick up a few tips to make the output cleaner and closer to your design. Start by opening Figma and navigating to the project file that contains the screen or component you want to convert. Make sure your layers are organized and named clearly. Good structure in Figma generally leads to better code generation. If you've used auto layout constraints and text styles, you'll see more accurate results. Next, click the Figma logo at the top left of the app to open the main menu, then head to the Plugins section. Plugins extend Figma's capabilities and allow tools to read your selection and generate code from it, which is exactly what we need here. Choose Manage Plugins to open the Plugin Management and Search panel. This is where you can find, install, and run plugins. If your team has recommended tools, you'll likely find them here. It helps to have edit access to the file so the plugin can properly inspect your layers. In the search field, type CodeTia. You're looking for a code generation plugin that understands multiple frameworks and can map Figma layers to widgets. Typing the exact name ensures you land on the correct tool. From the results, click CodeT, Figma to Code, which supports React Native, Flutter, SwiftUI, React.js, HTML, iOS, Android XML, and Compose. This plugin is capable of translating your Figma selections into framework-specific code, and in our case, we'll target Flutter. If the plugin opens in a panel or a new window, that's normal. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and authenticate. Some plugins require an account to process designs or track usage. Use only your approved credentials and avoid sharing any sensitive information. Now, select the element on your canvas that you want to convert. It can be a frame, a component, or a grouped set of layers. With the selection active, switch to the plugins interface, choose Flutter as the target framework, and then select View Source Code. The plugin will parse your layout, read constraints, typography, colors, and effects, and render Flutter code that mirrors your design. If something doesn't look right, double-check your Figma setup. Make sure auto layout is applied where appropriate, spacing is consistent, and images or icons are properly set as fills or components. Then rerun the view, and that's it. Congratulations. You've successfully turned your Figma design into Flutter code ready for review and refinement in your development workflow.